Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. Today we will learn about our 5 daily prayers and how many rakats they have.
Who can tell me about fajr prayer?
Fajr has 2 sunnah and 2 farz rakats.
MashaAllah, the sunnah of fajr is very special and we start our day by remembering
Allah.
Now tell me about zuhr.
Zuhr has 4 sunnah before, 4 farz and 2 sunnah after, Baba.
Excellent.
And what about asr prayer?
Asr has 4 farz rakats.
Very good.
Who knows maghrib?
Maghrib has 3 farz and 2 sunnah rakats.
MashaAllah, maghrib is prayed right after sunset and brings peace to our evening.
Yeah.
And the last prayer of the day, isha.
Isha has 4 farz, 2 sunnah and 3 witr, Baba.
MashaAllah, Isha prayer helps us end our day by remembering Allah.
Yes.
When we pray on time, we show love and obedience to Allah and follow the beautiful sunnah of Prophet Muhammad.
Yes.
That's right.